Okay, go ahead.
Look, you need to go in the restroom and take a bath.
Pero tampoco voy a renegar, porque si van a
Sí, es que no te voy a mandar eso.
no,
Get away from me.
No more. All right. You guys have a good night now.
yo muerto por ti.